Alright folks, this video is about combining like terms with rational coefficients. So now, instead of just having integers like 1, 2, 3, or -1, -2, -3, or 0, you're going to have fractions and decimals. Ooh, scary, right? It shouldn't be. You really know what to do. Just take your time and you'll be fine. Alright, so we have combine like terms to simplify this expression. So 1.3b plus 7.8 minus 3.2b. Well, if I put commas in, it's positive 1.3b and positive 7.8 and negative 3.2. So we know that negative 1.3b would go with negative 3.2b. I call this my, you can see me do things. I'm going to call this side my neat side. I'm going to call this my scrap work. So negative 3.2 plus 1.3, right? Negative 3.2 plus 1.3. What do I have more of? More positives or negatives? I have more negatives, right? So I know that this is going to be a negative. But negative what? Well, it's really, just like we did with integers, it's really the difference between these two numbers. Really the difference between their absolute values. So you do 3.2 minus 1.3, and can't do that, so that'll be 2. 12 minus 3 is 9, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is negative 1.9b and positive 7.8, so plus 7.8. And there is your simplified expression. Negative 1.9b plus 7.8. Easy as that. Let's talk about this one. Ooh, another scary one. This one has decimals in it. Fractions in it. I think we'll be okay. So I have negative 4/7 p and negative 2/7 p and positive 1/7. Well, negative 4/7 and negative 2/7. All right, let's do that over here. Negative 4/7 plus negative 2/7. All right, well, I have a negative and I have another negative, so we'd really just be adding these together to make negative 6/7. So this comes out to be negative 6/7 p. Well, what's left over? This positive 1/7, so plus 1/7, and that's our simplified expression, folks. See, told you it's not so scary. Let's do the next one. 1.17 minus 0.07a plus negative 3.92a. So once again, neat work here, scrap on the side. So 1.17 and negative 0.07 and negative 0.07a and negative 3.92a. Well, this would combine with that. So I have negative 0.07 plus negative 3.92. Well, they're both negatives, so I would just really be adding these two numbers up and putting a negative sign in front of them. So 0.07 plus 3.92, 7 plus 2 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 3 is 3. So this is negative 3.99a, and I'm left with positive 1.17, so plus 1.17, and we are done. That's it, simplified. Do we have any more?